Okay guys, welcome to the last video of this series. So far now we have made all the 5 parts of the stuffing box, and now in this video we are going to assemble them. So for that you have to create new file. So here you have assembly of 2D and 3D components. Select the standard.iam file and press. So it is going to load your assembly screen. Now what you have to do, you have to click over here. There are various tools over here. You have assemble tab, you have design tab, you have 3D model tab, sketch, and many more. Go to tools, document setting, units. You have to select it in mm, right? Go to assemble, select this place option, place component, and now you have to select your directory. So our directory, where was the directory? It was in documents, inventor, and stuffing box. Yeah. So what you have to do, you have to see first your drawing, right? So the first part is your body, right? And then you have to import this body. Select the part 1, click on open. Now see, you can see you have your body over here. What you have to do, you just have to press your left click of your mouse button, and if you have to bring n number of components, you just have to press your left click n number of times. This is how you are going to import all these components. We don't need all of them, we just need one, right? So we have the one base. Select the base, select the part, right click on it, and you have to ground it, right? So now it is not going to move. In order to rotate this, what you have to do, you have to press the shift on your keyboard and the middle key of the mouse, right, and the rotate it. Another option is you go to this, you can see this at the right hand corner of your screen, this block. You have to click any of the corner and then rotate it. I mean, you have to what you have to do, select your see your drawing. You have 2 studs over here, right, which have been inserted inside this hole. So what you have to do is nothing, but you just simply have to import this stud, and we need 2 studs, right? So we have imported 2 studs. Now go to constraint, select the axis of this stud and this axis. Yeah, you have to rotate it, click on apply. The next thing what you have to do is this face has to intersect with this face. Press apply. Yeah, this is it. You have to do twice. Okay, now the stud has been put inside the hole, and you can see this is what we want, right? So see over here, the stud has been put inside this hole, and you have the rest of the part over. Okay, so now we are going to import part 2. That's your part 2, right? And in the constraint option, what you have to do, you have to select axis of this and axis of this, press apply. Again you have to select axis of this and axis of this, press apply. Okay, cancel. Right, perfect. It is going inside and outside. Okay, so you have to create a one more relation. Go to joints, right? Select this part and then select this cylindrical object, right? You give a gap of minus 15. Minus 25, minus 30. Yeah, so somewhere around minus 30. You can see the exact dimensions in the, as in the drawing, that how much, till how much the distance you have to keep, or you have to limit it. So I have chosen minus 30. Let's say choose minus 28. 7 is perfect. Yes. Okay. Now it is perfect. It won't move. It is rigid, right? You can see. You cannot move it. Now the last thing what you have to do is you have to import your last part, which is your nut. You need two nuts. Go to joint, select this profile and then this profile, right? It is in translation. Press apply. Select this profile and this profile. Again it is in translation. Press apply. Of them, go to constraint, rotate it, select this profile, this surface and this surface. It is going to join. Again select, press apply, select this surface and this surface, press apply. It is going to join. So this is how your final assembly will look like. You can't rotate any of the parts. Everything is fixed, right? So that's your assembly. In the next video, we are going to see how to draw this on a sheet. Thanks for being with me in this video. See you in the next video.